were two princesses, and one princess was named Jasmine. She suggested to lose her slipper or something like that. And this girl was named Cinderella or Snow White, whatever you call her or something. She lost her last slipper somewhere. And then one day, one girl just fell into a deep sleep, and the other girl found her slipper by a Prince Charming named Prince Elvin. And he put the glass slipper back on. And then she had her glass slipper again. Then they danced in romantic. And they were very, very happy until Miss Oh, I Need Him came along and said, well, you guys part. I get him. What about me? I am the beautifulest and most prettiest girl in the whole entire world. Don't you love me? What about me too? I have the glass slipper that's gold with imaginative. But you, big snotty pants, get out of the way. Well, he already married me, whoever you are. And you get out of the way, scooch it, let me kiss him. Well, I don't want you. Oh, you have to. Mwah, 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 mwah. Oh, hello, sweetie. Mwah, 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 mwah. Hello, I'm Sweetie Girl. Yes, bye. So much something, isn't she? Well, I heard that, Missy.